Welcome to 5-Minute Tool Reviews, where I review a tool that I bought with my own money in 5 minutes or less. Today I am going to review my Harbor Freight 2 horsepower dust separator. I've had this guy for about 10 months or so, and it's one of those tools that I'm sad I didn't buy sooner. And honestly guys, for the price point, I mean, with a 25% off or 20% coupon that you can find online, you can get this guy for less than $200. It doesn't come with a lot of fittings, but definitely worth it. Holy cow, this thing's full. Still going?
Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
You want to pause it?
We gotta get some air.
So we obviously let this thing get really full. I've started trying to empty it once a week and make a once a week dump run to help. And we don't use the clear bags that the dust collector comes with because they're like $5 for the replacement clear bag. And I like these 42-gallon trash bags I get from Home Depot, and you get a lot of them for about $9. So it's definitely the better way to do it, but the disadvantage is you can't see when it gets full up. This is the most frustrating thing about this dust collector. If you have a video of an easier way to do this, please share it with me, because I typically just break down and tape the bag on, or I'll have my apprentice help me, but I wanted to show what that looks like with just one person doing it. And here I am struggling for well over 5 minutes. I think the full clip was like 7 minutes long, but part of it was my son coming out and
Holy cow, this is heavy.
definitely great for the planer, the table saw. I still need to run a leg over to other parts of my shop. I use the flex hose, some PVC pipe, really just whatever I have. You want to keep it 4 inches as long as you can. And here I am just breaking down, taping it on. But seriously guys, for less than $200 you can get this dust collector. It does need its own dedicated circuit. But seriously, it's so much better than a shop vac that you have to empty all the time. Like, you'll fill up your planer in one go, or fill up your shop vac in one go with your planer. The table saw works a lot better because it's just getting that huge volume of air. We fill this thing up about once a week. It's used nearly constantly. I'm going to expand it, improve the ducts. It doesn't come with a lot of stuff, so you will need to buy hoses, fittings, and stuff. Rockler has some pretty cool kits, and I'm going to link to quite a few Amazon affiliates down in the description below of different kits that I've used for connectors and so forth.
Nah, they're not gonna see. They're just gonna see a bag and you hitting something.
Yeah, that really hurt. If you like this video, be sure to like and share and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next week.